Hello, dear teachers, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to tell you all about Toontastic, which is an amazing application that is available for both Android and Apple devices. Using this app, you and your students can create your own digital stories. So this is actually a great way to get your students to write their stories, to narrate the stories, and to speak, to have the confidence to speak. Using this app, your students will be able to choose their own characters, record their own voices, choose the scene, choose the plot, the beginning, middle, and end of the story. It's actually amazing. You're going to love it. I'm going to show you in this short tutorial how easy it is to use it. And it's free. Of course, free is my favorite price. So stick around and let me show you how to use this app. So this is Toontastic. Once your students start, they have an opportunity to choose between a short story, a classic story, or a science report. We'll go with short story. A short story is, of course, a story that has a beginning, middle, and end. Now your students can start with the beginning.
The beginning, where you introduce the characters and the setting of your story.
Now the students have the opportunity to choose their own setting, the time or place where the story happens. And they have a variety of settings to choose from. They can also decide to draw their own setting, which is really awesome. For the sake of this video, I'm going to choose the pirates setting. Now, I can add characters to my setting. You see lovely characters that I can choose from. Really cute. Once I decide on my characters, I simply click on Start in order to record.
Lovely day it is to work on the ship.
Yes, I guess so. It looks really nice today.
So once I'm pleased with my recording, I can actually add music to it to make it more interesting.
Today.
Now that I'm pleased with my beginning, I can work on the middle of the story.
Where something happens, like a problem.
There's a problem with the ship. Oh no, are you serious? What's wrong?
And now I can start working on the end of the story.
The end, where your story wraps up.
Over there, look.
Where? Let me see.
Look, there's another ship coming our way. They're going to help us. Yeah.
Okay, now my story is done. I can give it a title. Your students can give their title. We'll call this one The Ship. How creative is that? And then we write our names if we want to. And there you go. That's the whole video.
Good morning. What a lovely day it is to work on the ship.
Yes, I guess so. It looks really nice today.
And once your students' beautiful stories are ready, they can share them with the world. They can share them with other students, with their teacher, or with their parents. And they can export them as videos into their camera rolls. That's it. Super simple, super easy. Okay, you see, super easy and super friendly to use this app. I hope that you find this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.